introduce to you Wiair HM550 Honeycomb mat machine. Before we use it, have to turn on the main power. The main power switch is located at right of the machine. Turn it on. During the turn up the power, the machine will do the initiate operation, such as the roller and the cutter will go back to the original positions, and the screen will light on. We have the menu setting with 12 different kind of language. Just press right above corner. You will be able to select from 12 different kind of language. For example, with selection the US American language, then all the menu setting will be displayed in English. There is a 7 different kind of configuration for this demonstration. For this demonstration, we use 40mm paper. This is the slow feeding button. This is menu card, and this is batch mode and corridor mode. Winding mode. Winding mode is an accessory not including the setup of this machine, but we preserving the interface here for the winding machine as an optional. We provide the connections of the optional winding machine connecting. So we do the demonstration for the menu fitting the paper and release 47 centimeters tells you that we also fitting out for 47 centimeters paper mat. We do the menu cut. Make sure everything is in order. And then we can go to the batch mode. Batch mode is here. For example, we have 4 different kinds of the memory setting, L1 to L4. We light on L1, L2, that is, those 2 functions will be executed. If we light down L3, then L3 will be executed. So we do the demonstration for L1 and L2. L1, we will get 80 centimeters, 1 piece, and L2, 50 centimeters, 2 piece, and execution. There we go. We have 80 honeycomb mat and 250 honeycomb mats as well. This is the how machine operation. There is several things we need to pay attention. For example, if the emergency things happen, we have to stop the machine, then just push the e-stop button to stop the machine. Then the machine will start, and warning sign will tell you emergency stop is activated. When we want to release it, we have to engage the e-stop again and release the release button. So machine will go back to the original. Do not do any setting during the machine is in the initiate status. When the cutter and all the machine setup go back to the original position, then machine will be ready to use. Now it's telling you machine is ready. There is also an important thing is do not open the waste bin during the operation. If you open it, the machine will get a warning sign tells you this is the waste bin need to be cleaned up. Okay, you push it back and lock it down. That will be the basic knowledge of this machine we have to do before we can operate. There is also a small drawer. You can put some spare parts or small tools inside. Okay, let me demonstrate how to maintenance and replace the cutter. Left above the corner, there is a setting gear. You push it and go to the live adjustment. For example, we want to do forward or backward for the position, and then we go original position. So cutter will move forward to the center for you to do the replacement. So we take off the cover protection screws. And open the front gate. The machine will tell you the front cover is opened. And this is for you to do the maintenance of the machine. But for sure, before you want to replace the cutter, you have to turn off all the power. Okay, that is for the safety. How to replace the cutter we will provide to you in another video. Okay, now demonstrate how to replace the honeycomb mat or exchange the honeycomb mat in different sizes. Let's go back, take a look of the machine. This is the back cover of the machine. When you turn on, the machine will tell you that a warning sign is displayed. Now we will tear off the paper. When we tear off the paper, we put it the real cover back and push paper fitting button in both hand and both sides. You can hear the voice of the machine when there is no movement at all. So the paper is fitting out. We need to use another paper to push the original paper out and replace in the same time. Now we change another honeycomb mat. This is 10 millimeters height. We make a small tip ahead of the honeycomb mat for we to easier insert. You can light up or stretch more about it for you to convenient insert the honeycomb mat. Go directly under the resistant board and change the width. Okay, like this, because it's wider. Okay, and adjustment for the resisting board is 10 millimeters, so we set up at 10. Okay, now it's roughly 10. So it's hold up already. And we push more honeycomb mat ahead to the roller internally. If it is not touch the roller, we can squeeze more paper inside, okay, to make sure the paper touch the roller. When the paper against the internal roller, now we can push the back cover and press the paper fitting button to fit in the paper. Previous one, there is no need to use it. And we go to the setup menu because it's 10. All the configuration will be adjustment to the new configuration. So we change the new configuration. So this honeycomb mat is 10 millimeters. So we press 10 and all the setup will go to the 10 millimeters height. So we use the manual fitting to fit out the honeycomb mat and get the menu cut. That machine is ready to work. Let's do the demonstration. We go to the batch mode, and this time we get 50 length and 2 cut, and another 80 centimeters 1 cut. Okay, this is the batch mode demonstration, and we push extrusion. Okay, here is the 250 and 180. Okay, thank you for your watching.